What happened is that I got a phone call from a gentleman, Gaurav Lamba at Metro Trains, and said, Dave, we're trying to spray paint full trains inside an existing building, and we need some help to develop a ventilation system that will keep people safe.
So the solution was based purely on the controlled airflow pattern inside the facility. They did various simulations that make sure that the people present in the workshop, they are not exposed to any buildup of the solvents, and the environment is absolutely safe to work in.
We had ideas about what might work, but we ended up with a solution after hundreds of experiments to figure out what was the optimum. Very low concentrations of solvent, minimum exposure for the spray painters themselves, and to do that in a way which doesn't adversely affect the spray painting process.